Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
Like this.
Hey y'all, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your hit before times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this BAP Drum Kit Volume 2 2021. So there was a Volume 1 some time back. Now this is a Volume 2. So quite some nice sounds in here. There's some drum loops, some hats, some kicks, some one shots, some percussion, some snares, and some voxes. You know, some nice goodies for you to actually look forward to. So yeah, so before we actually go further, I'd like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot, you know, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop you some heat. All right, without no further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start it first with a drum loop. So I'm gonna load up the first drum loop here and check it out. Yeah, so second. Yeah, man, so that's it for the loops, man. So let's go ahead and proceed to the rest of the sound. So hats. Kicks. The one shots. Percussion. Snares. The voxers.
Like this.
So yeah, man, yeah, that's it for the whole package, man. So yeah, link in the description down below as always. And if you get any problems, just hit me up on my number or on my email, and I'll get back to you quick. So yeah, man, so that's it, man. So I'd like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, any of that, just hit me up on my number, and I'll get back to you. So that's it for the drum kit, man. So enjoy the drum kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. So stay safe. Stay.